Here at Kendall Packaging, we strive to build strong relationships with all of our customers. We do this with a team of individuals who have goals around providing an unrivaled customer experience. We call this our customer focus team.
My name is Dave Weber. I'm in the sales department. Been in the industry since 1987. Been with Kendall since 2007. We've learned that from the sales perspective, customers are most looking for a relationship. They're looking for somebody to work with them long-term and someone that's going to take interest in their day-to-day orders and making sure that they're getting done on time.
Hi, my name is Ben Fechter. I'm the area sales manager for Kendall in the Mountain region. I've been with Kendall for just under 2 years. One of the things Kendall does really well is we solve big problems for our customers. We take a team approach to solving big problems. By working with our R&D, we have a very, very strong technical acumen, but our customer-focused team is really what brings it all together. And working together, getting on the wagon, pulling it in the same direction is key.
Hi, my name is Tim Brucker. I work in the R&D department as Product Development Manager here in the Jefferson facility. Just like everything else at Kendall, R&D is customer-focused. We try to get in on the ground floor and come up with the best solutions. Whether our customer is looking for a new product, whether they are looking for cost savings or an eco-friendly, sustainable solution, we're always ready to give them the best solution for their product. It's my goal to instill confidence in our customer. I'd like them to either hang up the phone or leave a meeting knowing that we got this and their project is in good hands.
Kendall's customer service department is unique because they are customer orientated and they focus on the customer's needs. What's important to customers is communication. They like to know, where everything is and status of their projects.
My name is Cassidy Kraus. I have worked at Kendall Packaging since 2014. My role within the customer focus team is to take care of the customer's needs. Beginning with artwork and plates into order entry and tracking, we work closely with the customer and the plant to ensure that all lines of communication are functioning well. The benefit of a customer focus team is that our customers have a dedicated group of people that are working on their account from start to finish.